Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple cauliflower dish that I'm going to show you guys. It's cauliflower and sweet chili sauce. So I'm just going to quickly put the cauliflowers into hot water. Just add a little salt. Turn off the stove. So I'm just going to keep it in the water for about a minute or two, and then I will be removing these florets. Just going to season these florets with some salt, pepper. Give it a quick toss. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 to 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Just coat the vegetable. I'm just going to add a little water to make this into a batter. The florets are coated well. You can see it's not a very thick batter. It's just coating the florets perfectly. Take the battered cauliflowers, roll it into the breadcrumbs and deep fry them. When the florets are nice golden brown in color, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Take a wide saucepan, pour some oil into it. So now we're going to stir fry a few ingredients, starting with some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Half teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 cup of sweet chili sauce. Reduce the flame. Add the cauliflowers into the pan and give it a quick stir. Make sure the sauce coats the fried florets completely. This is the final garnish. Sesame seeds. So you can have this dish with sticky rice or with just plain long grain rice or any rice that you cook at home, or you can just eat it as is as a snack or a starter. Enjoy this dish with your family and friends. Today's recipe is a very exciting recipe. It's a noodle recipe and it's pad thai noodles. Well, I'm very excited to show you guys. Let's get started. I have about 250 grams of rice noodles. I'm just going to pour hot water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add a teaspoon of salt to the water. Pour enough water to cover the noodles so they cook in the hot water. I'm just going to pound 2 tablespoons of slightly roasted peanuts. It will give you a lovely texture and crunch to your pad thai noodles. It gives a lot of flavor. So for the pad thai sauce, you need to add a few ingredients together to make the sauce. For that you would need 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of Thai chili sauce, this is a spicy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind puree, 1 heaped tablespoon of palm sugar. So for the pad thai noodles, you need to take a nice white saucepan, add a little oil. So first I'm going to stir fry small pieces of boneless chicken. Next I'm going to add the prawns. I'm going to stir fry that. Some chopped garlic. Just going to season it with some salt and some pepper. So once the prawns are cooked, I'm going to add the noodles. So you can see because the noodles have been put in hot water, they're almost like 95% cooked. 5% will get cooked in the saucepan. Once you've added the noodles, pour in the sauce. Just add a little oil. Crack open 2 eggs. Just scramble the egg. Make sure it's fully cooked. Eggs are cooked. I'm going to add the other ingredients. Just mix it in. Pieces of tofu that have been lightly toasted. I'm going to add that. Garnish it with some peanut powder. Add a handful of bean sprouts, a handful of the spring onion greens, also some finely chopped red chilies to give you a heat. You can either use red chili powder of fresh red chilies, chop it up and use it to make it a little more spicy. So there you have this delicious pad thai noodles that you can make at home. You can get all these ingredients, I'm sure, and if the ingredients you can't find them, you can find them at specialty stores, so do try them and you can enjoy this delicious noodles at home. Today's recipe is an exciting drink. It is Thai iced tea. Let's take a look. So for the iced tea, we're going to need about 5 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to add half cup of good quality tea powder. So after about 2 minutes boiling the tea, I'm just going to add half cup of sugar. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Turn off the stove after 2 minutes. Now we need to cool this tea mixture completely till it comes to room temperature, and you're going to leave it as is. You're not going to strain it. Make sure you just leave it as is, and once it's cooled down, and then we're going to strain it. So now the tea is cooled down completely. I'm going to strain this. You see it's pretty strong. This is how you want it actually. Take a nice tall glass or a mason jar, fill it with ice, pour the concentrated tea. So now I'm going to pour some condensed milk. You can either add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons according to your choice. Now give it a quick stir. So there you have another refreshing drink that you can make for this summer. So do try and enjoy this delicious Thai iced tea during this summer. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.